Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to its latest available version, that is 084 for the Android Pie users. So let's begin with this. So in this particular video we'll see how to install and manually update to the version 084. But there is a catch in this. So for this part, if you are on 063 or 082, then I've already created a Delta or OTA package related video. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below. Using that, you can save like nearly about 1 GB of your data, because the direct OTA package was available for 063 to 84 and 082 to 084. But this particular video is specifically for those users who are either on Android Oreo with the version 340 or either on Android Pie base with the starting version 0, 50, 59, 0, 60, 61 and so on. So let's begin with that. So on my phone screen, you are able to view that it's Android Pie 9 with the security patch level of 5 May 2020, version ending 082. So in this video, we'll update from 082 to 084. So now there are two different methods to update it. First, you can visit Asus site and you can download it manually. Otherwise, I have created a dedicated article for the same where I have provided you the direct URL from the Asus site so that you can directly download from here. So nothing major has been mentioned in this particular article. Few minor things like this is a build number, this is a full firmware update of 1.52 GB approximately, which will directly upgrade your phone to version 084. So there is an important note for the Android Oreo users. So for any Android Oreo user who directly wants to jump to 084, they should be at least on version 340, which was the last version of the Oreo. So using that, they can directly jump to this 084. And apart to this, the changelog of this particular update was just related to the security patch, that is July 2020 security patch. And apart to this, now the main thing is that how to download it. So this is the update method or download method directly from the Asus official server. So just tap it here and it will download 1.52 GB file in your download folder. So to cut down the time, I have already done that particular part, and this is that particular file. Let me show you by renaming it. So whenever you'll be downloading, it will show you 1.64 GB at as an phone storage. And this is that particular file, that is 084 user.zip. And afterward, you just have to copy this zip file or zip file to internal storage, just copy to or move to. So to cut down the time, I've already done that part as well. And let me show you that this is the file. Now we are good to go with the installation part. For that, we have to first restart our phone, and afterward it will show us one prompt that a system file has been detected and so on. One more thing, if someone is like after doing this part again, that particular update notification is not coming. So I've already created a dedicated video in the past for the same, that was using for the 429 version for the Android 10. You can refer the same video. Just replace that particular 429 file with this 084 and it will work with in the same manner. Just need you will be needing a SD card, nothing else. So let's wait till the time our phone will be booted and it will show you a prompt that a system update file detected. So it has shown a system update file detected. Let me tap it here. It is showing me two different entries or prompt. I would say two different options, because one is in my SD card and another is in my internal storage. So by default it is selected internal storage. Just me tap it here and now it will be preparing to update, and afterward it will restart our phone and move to the system update installation wizard. So just wait till the time this particular update will be installed and move to the system update section. So finally phone has been restarted and moved to the install system update section. So just wait for next 3 to 4 minutes or at most 5 minutes to complete this particular installation process, and afterward it will directly boot into the home screen or login screen and will verify the status of the updated version. So finally the installation process has been completed and now our phone has been restarted, and now it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to successfully boot into the login screen or home screen. So finally our phone has been restarted successfully, and now even it is showing us that it's finishing system update and so on. Afterward a prompt will be shown to you like system update successful. And let me just confirm you by moving to the settings section and then system and about phone. Like we are on a latest version with the ending 084 with the security patch level 5 July 2020 with the build date July 6 2020. Again, I'll emphasize one thing. If you are on 063 or 082, I have already created a Delta or OTA package related file. Just refer that and it will save nearly about 1 GB of data at your side. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.